for a bath, Biscuit. Woof woof, Biscuit wants to dig. Time for a bath, Biscuit. Woof woof, Biscuit wants to roll. Time for a bath, Biscuit. Time to get nice and clean. Woof woof, in you go. Woof, Biscuit does not want a bath.
And if left untreated, it can cause kidney disease, heart attack, and stroke.
Bow wow, Biscuit sees his friend Puddles. Woof woof, Biscuit wants to climb out.
And high blood pressure is 140 over 90.
Come back, Biscuit. Woof, come back, Puddles. Bow wow.
We know that we can address prehypertension.
Biscuit and Puddles want to play in the sprinkler. Biscuit and Puddles want to dig in the mud.
Limiting salt in your diet, regular physical activity, and a dietary approach known as the
Biscuit and Puddles want to roll in the flower bed. Now I have you.
focusing on fresh fruits,
Woof woof.
vegetables,
Let go of the towel, Biscuit. Bow wow. Let go of the towel, Puddles.
general lowering sodium.
Like Joe,
Silly puppies, let go.
prescribed blood
Woof
pressure
woof.
lowering
Bow
medication
wow.
by their doctors.
Oh,
Consuming a low-salt, healthy diet can help reduce the amount of medication. Healthy adults should consume no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium a day.
time for a bath, Biscuit. Woof woof. A bath for all of us.
1,500 milligrams a day. But salt intake is not always easy to
Here's the
gauge.
ones I see. Biscuit's new trick. Biscuit wants to play. Biscuit finds a friend. Here's are the only two I did not see. Biscuit and the baby go play dog. The end.